Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with the 1981 Yamaha TT500 that's up for grabs. What we're going to do, we're going to have a little walk around the bike. I'm going to show you how to start it and just tell you a bit about it. So first of all, we're going to start it. We kickstart here. It is warm, so we don't need the choke. On this side you've got your fuel tap, you've got your decompression lever here, which you'll need, because it's 500cc, so it's got quite a lot of compression. So you just pull your lifter in, give it a good swing. So we just rebuilt the top end of the engine on this one, new piston. Will need running in, but it's really nice condition. Like I said, it's the last year production, so you've got an aluminium swinging arm, and you've also got these like air forks, which apparently were only on the last year of production, which is 1981. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Just give you a little walk around. We've got a new mud guard, the tank's been painted recently, fresh tyres. Yeah, really nice bike, very capable as well. Even though it's a classic, they still go really well, very torquey. And then just when you want to stop it, there's just a kill switch on the handlebars. There's no ignition switch on this bike. Got your kill switch there, and that's kind of it really, quite simple. So this one is around August 2024, this competition. So if you have missed it, still go to the website. It's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, because we've got lots of bikes on there. We usually try to get some nice classic scramblers, lots of nice classic Japanese two-strokes, British bikes, nice old Triumphs, etc. So yeah, thank you for watching, and good luck if you do enter.